The is not operator as an identity operator in Python programming language test if two operands are located in different memory locations and the return value is true if so, else false. As an example, GEL, example 1, GEL is not GI plus RL, and this is another typical example of how many operators can appear in one expression. Here we have two operators, an identity operator is not, and another operator plus, which is an arithmetic operator, but here it comes to perform a concatenation. The arithmetic operator has any arithmetic operator has higher presence than any identity operator. So after evaluation, this very GI plus RL, the value is GEL. So reading it again, GEL is not GEL, and the output is false because GEL is GEL, not GEL is not GEL. Okay, so logic is a bit difficult. 6 is not 6, the output is false, yes. And girl is not boy, the output is true because girl and boy are located in different memory location. And in the computer, pen is not B plus OOK. So after concatenation here, the return value will be book. So reading it again, pen is not book. The output is true because yes, the string pen and book are located in different memory location. And the last example is man is not woman. Man is not woman. So the output is, let's guess it. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. True.